I'm Michael Schuett at Klahanie Chevron Service Center. Klahanie Chevron is here to help you, which is why they offer our monthly car tips videos.
Are you unsure what that yellow light shining on your car's dash is telling you? It doesn't mean you have to instantly pull over and call a tow truck, since you might just have a loose gas cap. But you should get the car checked soon. Let's learn more about the check engine light. If the light is steady, the problem is not an emergency. But a blinking light, or in some cars, if it turns red, that's an indication your vehicle needs immediate attention. AutoZone.com shares a few of the most common reasons why this most important light comes on and what can happen if that problem is not fixed. Your gas cap is loose, damaged, or missing. In this instance, you can lose fuel through evaporation and take more trips to the gas pump. Your oxygen sensor needs to be replaced. Here, your engine will burn more fuel than needed, causing less miles per gallon. You have a bad catalytic converter. This means your vehicle will not pass an emissions test and experience reduced performance and fuel economy, and possibly run at a higher temperature. Your vehicle needs new spark plugs or plug wires. You will experience poor performance and reduced fuel economy. So if your check engine light comes on, let us help figure out what it's trying to tell you. Drive it in, and we can quickly check it out.
Klahanie Chevron Service Center wants to take a moment and thank all their wonderful, loyal customers who have made Klahanie Chevron their place for all kinds of routine automotive services. Here at Klahanie Chevron, they do it all. They have 4 service bays, and a mechanic is on duty 6 days a week. Bring your car or truck here. They can help.